Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Today I have the new version of Super Recompensa, Super Reward. Okay, I don't know why they call this Super Reward because there are no rewards normally. Okay, hola, boa tarde. Tenho as novas, ano, tenho as novas raspadinhas. No, nova versão, ok? O número 25 a 28 sa sesão de 20. Okay, look at the size of the ticket, guys. €5 ticket is like the size of a €2 ticket. Not only they don't give the prices, good prices, they also reduce the size. Okay, so we're looking for the the stack of cash symbol to win the prize shown, a watch to win 50, Spora to win 100. What is this? Roda, a wheel to win 150. Okay? Four symbols to find. Tribu, diamante, lingote, iso, cofre, safe, caroca. Caroca? Okay, caroca. Whatever it is not a winning. Saco de dinheiro in Portuguese, Ferradora, Chapéu, Sol. What is this? Porta, door. Okay, so fogueira, fire or what? Flame? Barrel, whatever. Catu. In English is cactus, in Portuguese is catu. Sheriff. What is this? Montañas. Lobo. Moedas. Fino. No, not a winner. Gold bar, oro. Montañas. Caroca, carosa. Is there okay, carosa. Because there is I don't know how to say in English. I pronounce it as. There's no sign of winning, guys. Trivo, clover, diamante, diamond, lobo, saco de dinero, ferradora, chapéu, piso, cofre, moedas, cerca, bota y porta. Nada. 26, itu 27. Montañas, porta, oro, moedas, ferradora, sol. I don't need all these symbols. Lobo, carosa, diamante, whatever, sheriff, bota. Oh Lord. Piso, cofre, chapéu. Oh Lord. No. 3 in a row. Last hope. Barrel. Lobo. Montañas. Mountain. Fugera. For? Flame or what? Bota. Fino. Sheriff. Oh, Lord. Cerca. Cofre. What is this? Door. Porta. Diamante. Oh, Jesus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chances. Oro. Oh, Lord have mercy. 2 chances. Ay, 1 chance. Ay, Jesus. There's no win. 4 in a row. There's no win, guys. How is it possible? There's no win. Ay, Jesus. No win. 4 in a row are all losers. Why? There's no win. No win. 4 in a row are losers. Okay, so there's no win, guys. There's no win. That's winning are 1 in 3.15. But about 4 and there's no win. Ay, Jesus. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.